iPhone notifications suddenly turned black and white after updating to iOS 26. There are 3 essential steps to effectively solve the problem. Step 1. Check customization settings. If you're using Apple's liquid glass layout, just long press anywhere on your home screen. At the top left corner, tap on Edit. Click on Customize. Here, choose the default option. Once you do that, exit the screen and check your notifications. They should already be back to normal color. If not, move to the next step. Step 2. Adjust display and brightness. For this, open your Settings app on your device. Then scroll down and tap on Display and Brightness. Here, you'll see 2 appearance options, light and dark mode. Switch between them and check which one fixes your notification color. Still seeing black and white notifications. Step 3. Accessibility settings. For this, go to the Settings app on your device. Then scroll down and click on Accessibility. Tap on Display and Text Size. Now look for these 3 options: reduce transparency, increase contrast, differentiate without color. If any of these are turned on, toggle them off. Once you turn it off, you should instantly notice your notifications going back to their usual colors. And that's it.